Today, we are making something you don't see on restaurant menus. 3 whole chickens, a giant skewer, and an actual clay oven with no electricity and no thermometer and no timer, just pure instinct. This is the village my mother grew up in. Nothing here is staged, nothing here is aesthetic. It just is. Chickens run around like they own the place. Cats pretend they don't care, but they're watching everything. And this is where we are, cooking today. Here there are no supermarket shelves. No plastic packaging, just vegetables on the ground, dust in the air, and hands that have done this for generations. Markets like this don't rush you. You don't scan barcodes. You look people in the eyes, you ask about their family, you touch the vegetables, you argue about the price. Even when you don't really care about the price, everything feels slower, but somehow more alive. Supermarkets. Just needs 1 more kilo. People like get like 6-7 kilos here. There's no shopping for big families. Each chicken is cut open like a butterfly. That way it cooks evenly, skin crisping on one side, meat soaking up the heat on the other. Then comes the marinade.
الميرة وفيها سكينجبير وفيها البزار وفيها الخرقوم وفيها الملحة وفيها الزيت البلدية تزيد فيها الحامة تزعصرو فهمتي؟ صافي هذا وكتشدو التومة فهمتي؟ صافي تومة دادا
تومة
كمون. Nothing complicated, just a kind of mixture that people here have been making by memory for decades. Then the marinade is rubbed everywhere, slowly, making sure every corner is coated. Small holes across the meat, just deep enough so that the flavor can travel inside. And finally, slices of garlic are tucked into those little openings. All that's left is fire. And right when we were filming, the electricity went out. No lights, no equipment, just darkness. For a second, it felt like a problem. Then someone lit a candle, and suddenly, it felt right.
Beautiful. It's hot. It's absolutely hot, but I can totally see how this dies out. Will give you the perfect temperature. You put the chicken in, it's gonna roast, but it's also gonna smoke at the same time.
So how quickly does it roast your face?
Well, really quick. I have to say, I can't do this for a long time. It's really hot, but it's beautiful. Like, it's dark. It is, there's the night sky you can't see, but it's blue and yellow and flames and sparkles. It's gorgeous. This is what you want to do. This is how you want to cook. You just want to be out there, make some food, cook it on real fire. Oh God.
At first, the chickens cook open over the heat, the skin tightens, fat begins to drip onto the coals, and the smell of garlic and spices fill up the place. When the outside starts to take color, the oven is closed. Now the chickens aren't grilling anymore, they're smoking. And right at the end comes the final touch. A brush of smen, aged fermented butter. It smells strong, almost wild. But that's the difference between good and unforgettable. Then they go back into the oven for a final round. In cities, food is presentation. Here, food is gathering. Plates are shared. Bread replaces forks. Nobody counts calories. And every time I come back here, I remember where I come from.